G'day, Stu from Uavfutures here, and today, well, what this is the first video in the new studio, and I'm gonna say it's take two because guess what? I just filmed this and I forgot to plug the mic in. So that part was annoying, but what this is the channel update, new studio, first look, all that sort of stuff to fill you guys in on what's been going on, where the channel's gonna be going, and the exciting future of Uavfutures and all stuff drone related for 2019. And I can't wait to get started, starting pretty much right now. It's about to get massive, some huge plans for Uavfutures, and I am super pumped and excited to bring you guys along and share this journey of FPV because look, I love this hobby and I can't wait to get even more people into it. So this is the new studio. Let me know, what do you guys think? What do you think about the microphone as well? I'm going to be working on my audio, but I used to have like a tiny little mic on top of the camera. I've gone out and I bought a much bigger like shotgun mic. I don't know, it's like a mic like that long. It's sort of sitting just up there out of reach from the camera. So hopefully now that it's plugged in, that should be sounding okay. But a big one, something I'm really excited about, is that I can just do this, cut to the camera up I've got installed in the roof, and then I can cut back down and I can talk to you guys, I can focus on the drone, and no longer do I have to take my camera apart, go put it on the other bench like you might have seen in that old video when I gave you a bit of a studio reveal when I turned the camera around. I'd have to set it up somewhere else. That would really slow down the gist of things. Here, I want to focus on what I love doing, and that's making videos. So less time setting up cameras, less time framing shots. I can just leave these as they are, rock and roll, get on with the videos, and I can jump between the roof camera, hopefully that's in shot, that's going to take a little bit of getting used to the front camera so I can talk to you guys, and that's going to help me as well. Sometimes I want to connect and talk about something and try to express an idea across, and look, I know I use my hands a lot, so that's going to be good for that. But there's other times too when we just need to zoom in, take a look at something on the bench and really zoom in and talk about the nitty-gritty, so that's going to be happening as well. So let me know, or what do you think about that? I should be plugging this sign in too. That's meant to be plugged in. Going to be working on a little bit more lighting. In terms of some future content coming up on the channel, I have the arrows that I'm about to get started on that review pretty much straight after this video. So that's like the new XJB Take 2, or the 2019's version of XJB, so that's super exciting. The Armington Marmot Part 2, that should be coming out as well. That's pretty much 95% done. It just got held up, I guess. I got a little bit sick and we're moving in, getting the new studio. That is coming out super soon. And then some other cool, exciting stuff. I've got this beautiful beast, and like, I don't even know how many of these are in existence right now, but the massive droner from Catalyst Machine Works, like their 5-inch, just crazy frame design. This thing is going to be very, very special, so that's coming out. Oh, some people might be asking what this is. That's like a little mini 3-inch alien. You never saw that. I've had that for a while. But yeah, so there's that. And then finally, what do you think about live streams? So I want to start doing some live streams, and in the field, here in the studio, talking to you guys as well as heaps more content. So basically, I don't know, what do you think? What do you think about the new studio? Oh, another thing too, a lot of people are going to say, Stuart, where's the drone wall? What's going on? Yes, that's been with me from the start, but what I really want to do is focus on the drone at hand. So there's so many ones on the wall, they really were just decoration, but what I want to do now, I want everybody's attention to be on the specific craft that we're talking about. So when we're zooming in, give it the attention, that it deserves. These amazing machines are incredible, so pretty much put it in the spotlight. So look, I've got a few ideas, some things might come up on the wall, but yeah, that's why there's no drone wall. But anyway, what do you guys think? Drop your comments down below, subscribe for more FPV related content with a heap of live streams coming. I'm about to go get started on the next video. I'm super pumped. 2019 is going to be massive, so thank you for everybody for your support. Huge shout out to my Patreons. Sorry it took so long to get set up in the new, I think it was pretty quick to get set up on what we've done here, but yeah, we had a lot of stuff to get sorted, and anyway, moving house and businesses is a huge pain, so thank you to my Patreons. Huge shout out to the people on Discord, because I've been talking to them as well. Like, we had to get our internet connected here, which was another nightmare. And other than that, we're ready to rock and roll. 2019, we're about to blow the lid off it. And yeah, and my dog's in here now, so he's over there just having a bit of a stretch. So anyway, Charlie's happy as well. So anyway, enough rambling from me. There's a little update. Let me know what you think. What you think about the camera from the roof to, so I can jump between the two and talk to you, show that all that sort of stuff. Put it in the comments. Subscribe for more FPV related content, and as always, happy flying.